Hello friends, once again I welcome all of you to bisptrainings.com. My name is Sumit and I'm a subject matter expert in dynamic CRM. This is my second video in continuation of explaining dynamic CRM 2016 new features. In first part I explained some of the newly added or enhanced feature of dynamic CRM. In this we will be going to cover rest of the features. As I've already told the features about what I'm going to discuss, most of them are already added and rest of them are in testing mode, so they will be going to add soon. CRM Online is a world-class global SaaS service delivered and managed by Microsoft. So in order to meet the business requirement of customer around the globe, CRM continually make investment in their core service infrastructure and platform. These investments often focuses on security, compliance, performance and management and as well as global expansions. So the feature which I'm going to discuss in today's video, so the very first feature is the data encryption for CRM online server. So as you know that dynamic CRM has ability to encrypt the data at rest, as they say. Earlier in older version, so the data was encrypted as it traveled through the network, but at some place data need to be encrypted after it is stored on disk. Let me explain same with an example. Let's suppose someone gets a copy of backup that contains CRM data which is not encrypted. So they have all the data live and some users cannot use the same data. So now CRM is enhancing the database and full encryption at the rest so that the data will be encrypted on the disk, and CRM makes sure that the customer have control on that data. This is a seamless protection strategy that does not interrupt the core function of CRM Online and is available on demand. In addition to encryption at rest, customer management encryption keys will be available, and it allows the customer to have self-service access to change or revoke the keys. This provides great control to the customer as it enables them change keys or revoke access on demand in a completely self-service manner. In this model, customer generates a key for encryption and upload it to a vault controlled by the customer. So the full SQL encryption will be possible with Dynamic CRM 2016 by using the keys, by using the customer managed keys. The next newly added feature which has been added recently in 2016, that is a data performance dashboard. Although we have already existing dashboards available in dynamic CRM, but that dashboard does not explain about the ongoing processes. So the data performance dashboard, this allows user to identify how long queries are taken. It means if there is an admin driven optimization within dynamic CRM 2016 which enables customer to understand the performance over time of component with long running queues. Also they can view suggestions for optimization as well as understanding how existing optimization has performed. So as you can see here in this dashboard has got few columns like the impacts, the entities, source component, operations, average time taken, maximum time taken, minimum time, and the count. So, and this calculation is for the last or for the current month. That's a 1 month calculation. So any operation which has been taken place in within the current month, so what's the impact of that, on which entity is working, what is the source component, what's the average time taken, and what's the maximum time taken has been taken to complete the complete process. It helps in improve the visibility in performance to check the performance of running queries. And also by using it, it access how well existing optimizations are performed. So by using this, we will be customer we will be able to find out that how well the existing or the existing operations are going on. The next feature which is added is basically the dynamic CRM. They have introduced the new dynamic CRM online data centers in Canada and in India. The Microsoft Canada geography consists of the Canada East region, which is located in Quebec City in the province of Quebec, and the Canada Southeast region, which is located in the Toronto in the province of Ontario. Whereas in the Microsoft India, geography consists of the Northwest region and the Southeast region, which is mainly in Chennai and in Pune. With the inclusion of these new data centers as well as those recently added in Japan and Australia, our global customers will be served from data centers located in 9 global regions around the world. So the number of data centers has been increased, so the performance, so more data centers means the users they can access more, the users they can access data more faster and in a more efficient way. The next feature which has been added in Dynamic CRM 2016 is bulk data loader for Dynamic CRM. It's a new cloud service built by a dynamic team. The main purpose of this service is to enable the bulk import and export of data into Dynamic CRM online. This tool will allow uploading large data files to cloud staging table where you can perform little data quality functions and then push the data into CRM online. This service will also support recurring data import export. The bulk data loader will be accessible from a link on the CRM Admin Center website that will redirect the user to the dynamic CRM lifecycle services. Now, the idea behind incorporating this bulk data loader feature in 2016 is that many times when we import data into CRM, we are not importing individual entity. Might be possible that we will be importing multiple entities together. So once we done with the loading data, I will be sending a link through email to the other users. So for implementing same, CRM created the services on Azure server because both the dynamic CRM as well as the Azure, they are Microsoft product. So by doing this, the data will be loaded on the Azure server and it will send a link. It will provide a link to the dynamic CRM users. So due to this, we can upload the data on Azure by using the dynamic CRM interface, and we want to place them inside the staging database because that cannot be a CRM data. So the data massaging is needed. So data staging and validation is required while uploading in data. So the data staging and validation on large volume of data is possible by using bulk data loader in CRM 2016 version. Another feature which has newly added in 2016, that is the guided user experience. Now, what do we mean by guided user experience? Basically, Dynamic CRM Online 2016 that includes in-product and context-based information that can be tailored to specific user roles, and it helps in speed up CRM online training. This will provide the appropriate content for the varied user functions in the CRM system. This feature has not yet fully implemented, but very soon it will be going to implement in online version of CRM. Let's take an example. For example, if you are a salesperson, so you will be going to see what's the new content tailored for your role. If you are a customer service representative or service manager, then you will see different in this content. So according to your role, according to user roles, the help will be provided to the user. So this is a newly added feature in CRM 2016. Next, we have modern web API. The powerful tools available in Dynamics CRM, it allows to tailor Microsoft Dynamics CRM to meet the unique business requirement. Microsoft Dynamics CRM facilitates the delivery of rapid business value with an agile solution framework that can be easily tailored and configured. The Microsoft Dynamics CRM platform provides a declarative paradigm that ranges from defining the data model to providing integrated persistent security. The web API, which is a new for Dynamics CRM Online 2016, updates and Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2016 on premises, it provides a development experience that can be used across a wide variety of programming language, platform, and devices. The web API implements the OData. OData stands for Open Data Protocol version 4.0 and OSIS standards for building and consuming RESTful APIs over rich data sources. Because the web API is built on open standard, we don't provide assemblies for a specific developer experience. We can compose HTTP requests for specific operations or use third-party libraries to generate classes for whatever language or platform we want. If we did get chance to work with OData or REST with previous version of CRM, that we can use only few operations like create, update, delete, and so on. In 2016, they provide a new API for internally using JavaScript and for externally using PHP or with our websites. So they created a new interface which is called a web API, so that the old one still exists. But the cool thing about this is this tool is a lot of operations from the SO package which we used to accomplish. They have merged the things with the OData CRUD operations that allows us to most of the SDK operations. So now not only we have delete operations, we can also get other operations such as assign operations, associate operations, and so on. So that's the modern web API feature has been added in CRM 2016, both online and on-premises version. Next, we have a server-side synchronization. Server-side synchronization, basically with server-side synchronization, administration can easily manage the synchronization of email, task, appointments, and contact between CRM and Exchange. Server-side synchronization in the preferred option for organization with users who run Microsoft Dynamics CRM in a web browser or on a mobile exchange. So this includes the two-way directional or the bidirectional synchronization of email, contact, task, and appointments. The data synchronization for each user can be controlled by using synchronization filter that are available from the synchronization tab in the Microsoft Dynamics CRM user options dialog. So the synchronization can be done easily between the various devices. And the finally and the last updation is the next generation search. This is one of the enhanced feature in Dynamics CRM. that is called as a next generation search. The idea behind this feature is to give us for text search with custom entities as well as standard entities. It can be used to see a single list view of result sorted by relevance across multiple entities. The legal quick find search will remain available, renamed as categorized search. This will initially be available as a preview for selected client before journal releases in the first half of 2016. So these are the various features of 2016, or the will be going to add, or will be these are the enhanced features of 2016. So that's all in this video. If you have any queries, you can write to us on www.bisptrainings.com. I hope you found both the videos helpful in understanding the newly added or the enhanced feature of Dynamic CRM 2016. If you want to know more about CRM, you can write to us or you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos on Dynamic CRM. Keep watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.